Hello and welcome to my video on how to create your own design in PowerPoint. We're going to cover 3 topics. First one is the slide master, the second one is create your own design, and the third one is animate your own design. We are going to start with the slide master. The slide master is a special view in PowerPoint. To access this view, we're going to go to View and then to Slide Master. Once we open the slide master, we're going to see a slide for every default layout in PowerPoint. We can add others if we want to. The top layout is a master view where changes we do here are going to apply to every other layout. We can change stuff like text boxes, like for example the title, or smaller text fields for power bullet points or pictures. We can also change the background. If you change the background in the master view, the background color will be changed for every other layout. But we can also change a background color in one layout if we want to have a different color for one specific layout. Now that we covered the slide master, we're going to go over how to create your own design. To create a design, we first have to choose a design that we're going to copy. I choose this one and inserted a picture, and I'm going to choose the second one on the right with those triangles. Now I need some triangles, which I'm going to find here. Once you placed your triangle, you might notice that it has the wrong direction, so we have to rotate it to fit the triangles on our design. Now I'm going to try to recreate the same size and dimension of our triangle as it is in the design. That can be very difficult, depends on how good you want to match it. Once we've done it, we're going to copy our triangle, because you can see that my design here contains of multiple times the same triangle. Now you can see that I have one of those big triangles, and you can see that those are repeating, so I'm going to group those 3 triangles to one group. Once I've done it, I can copy those big triangle again, because I need the same triangle facing the other direction, which I'm going to do. I'm going to rotate the triangle to make it look in the other direction. One difficult thing here is to align the triangles as well as there are in our design. Now we can group it again to have this module to copy it again. Now we can copy that module again as often as we want to create our own design. Once we're satisfied with our design, we can group all the elements again to have one big design that we can copy easily to every other layout that we want to have it on. And that's exactly what I do now. I'm going to copy our design and put it on a layout that I'm going to use later on, which I want to have the design on. And then put it like on the left side of the design. Now that we have created our design, we can start and animate that design. Before we start to animate our design, we can change certain things as color or effects. So we're going to select our design that we created and change the color. I'm choosing green here. You can choose any color you like. And we can also change the outlines to a little bit of darker green so that we can see them. And we can also add some effects. I'm going to choose a little bit of shadow to make the layered design stand out a little bit more. So now we're going to add some animations to our design. We can add an animation to our whole design at once. So for example, our design would float in as one. But if we want to, for example, let every triangle appear at once, we first going to have to ungroup our design, which I'm going to do now. So now I have like a group of 2 triangles at once. And now I can animate every triangle group at once, so it doesn't appear as one block. Instead, it appears a little bit at a time. So here in the corner, you could change the duration, how long it takes for one triangle block to float in, or you can choose if the animations should appear on click or automatically. So let's see how it looks like. We can see that every group of triangle floats on itself. So today we have learned 3 things: the slide master, creating your own design, and animate your own design. I hope you had fun watching the video.